Hey guys, it's me Mandy here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this quick protective beehive style with a crocheted ponytail, and it's really quick and easy. I think it only took me about 2 hours to do. And if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. These are old crochet braids that I've had from like my very first video, so they're still good. So I'm going to just be crocheting my hair just on the side here with this the crochet braids. So I'm back. I'm just going to take my head tie off now, just see what the end result is. And here it is. I'm actually going to use one of the braids, and I'm just going to wrap that around the crochet here so it's not all showing. And I'm just going to pin that in place with a bobby pin. So this is the final result. And I'll just do a little fast thing for you. With some jewels, or not jewels, but whatever these damn things are called. Have some extra of this crochet braiding here, and my idea was just to wrap this around the actual ponytail, so just keep wrapping it and tucking it under or using the bobby pins. So this is style 2 with my ponytail. It's not that heavy, it's actually pretty light. And I'm just going to do the back again. So that is it. Tell me which one you guys think is better, style 1 or style number 2. And that is it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.